Welcome to another video from the Dental Advisor. Today we're going to be looking at tooth preparation for a Black's Class 4 situation. Now this is usually seen when there is a fracture of the incisal margin, and the difficulty faced here is that we often give too less a bevel on the enamel, thereby compromising the retention of the restoration. What I have done so far is to give you an idea of the current style of preparation with a very narrow bevel on the fractured edge. What I am going to do now is to take that bevel labially and palatally to include a lot more of the enamel, and in doing so I will be harnessing the really good enamel to composite bond strength that is reliable and long-lasting. This also takes the margins into areas which are very easily cleansable by the patient, ensuring the reduced chances of secondary caries. And as you can see, I'm only using a long tapering burr as it is sufficient to roughen the enamel on both sides of the tooth. The creation of a feathered infinity edge helps in blending the composite and making it look almost seamless once you've finished your restoration. Once the initial preparation is done with the diamond burr, I switch to an ultrasonic tip from SATELEC, the PM4, in order to finish the margins of the restoration. Now this PM4 is an excellent tool for controlled finishing, as it allows you to retain complete tactile control as opposed to using a finishing burr. Using the PM4, I go over the entire preparation, smoothing the surface as the tip moves along. Now here's a gadget that you don't see too often. It's called a Contact Easy, and it's a handheld diamond finishing strip which is really good for touching up the interproximal surfaces. Finally, take some PROPHY paste in a low-speed contra-angle handpiece, or run it along the teeth on both sides of the preparation, and this ensures that you completely remove the smear layer. And now you are ready. The preparation for a Class 4 cavity is over. Remember that the key difference in this style of preparation is the rather large and extensive bevel that you give on the labial and palatal side, and keeping the infinity margins nice and feathered and thin. Thanks for watching, and see you again soon.